Today I'm going to cook roasted chicken. So we're now preparing for the chicken for our lunch. So first we're gonna wash the chicken, clean the chicken. This is 1 kilo chicken. Okay, I guess one. Have to clean the chicken first. And gonna take some parts this chicken. Yeah. Then this chicken is really big. I have to make sure the chicken is clean. So I have to take this. Yeah. So I see there are something yellow in the chicken, so I need to take this off. So to take this off, I need to rub with some salt in it. Because this chicken is called the my kyckling in Sweden. So some of my kyckling, the color of their skin is yellow, so I don't like the yellow, tiny yellow outside of this chicken skin. So I need to rub it with salt just to pick it off. Today we're gonna have roasted chicken with turmeric powder. So this is how it is clean now. Take off some like this. The fat with the chicken. So this is my way of preparing the chicken to cook. So Now I want to put salt all over the chicken. And of course inside the chicken. So that when the chicken is done and cooked, the taste goes through to the chicken's meat, and it's savor to chicken meat. And then so I add some black pepper powder. And add this something to make some savory taste out of the chicken also. This is called aromat. It looks like and then the pepper. So guys, this is how I prepare roasted chicken. So we have different ideas how we cook or roast our chicken. So, and then because we already have tasted that it's really tasty one, and it's different if you put some turmeric powder when roasted the chicken. So I add some, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I rub it in and out the chicken. So you see, it's become now yellow. And I add a little bit more. So this is how it is, the turmeric powder. And now I leave it a while here, and I want to prepare for onion and garlic. Onion and garlic. So let's say 2 cloves of garlic. I need to put it inside the chicken. Put together. together with the chicken. So this is my shopping board for veggies. So I have to cut some onion or prepare some onion using with my knife, vegetable knife. So these 2 globes of onion, I put it inside the chicken. Here. Just to add more what's this? Onions flavor or onion smear. Sorry, garlic smear. This one is the onion, so I have also some onion. This is onion and garlic and cooking. So this one whole onion, I put it together. I cut it quarterly. Then I put some inside. Then here you go. So onion and garlic inside the chicken. And this is how it is now. So I do like that. Then I have to, because I need to roast it inside the oven. But while I was preparing for that chicken, I turn on the oven for pre-warming. So then I put chicken in this pan. I put in this big square pan because I need to add some veggies around in it. So now this is a butter. Sometimes it's nice to brush like butter outside the chicken skin. It adds more taste in it, so that I used to do. So this butter, I put a little. And so I love to put some butter before I put in the chicken and inside the oven. So I brush some butter outside, outer part of the chicken. Oh, the butter is not melted yet. So I guess I need to warm it a little to make it more creamy. And then of course, to add more spicy, a little bit spicy, I I would love to put this cayenne powder. So sometimes cayenne powder I add it together with this melted butter. Let's say 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder, and then I would brush it the outer part of the chicken or inside of the chicken before I put it inside the oven. Although it seems like it's not healthy using butter, but sometimes butter is good. It adds some savory taste to the food that you are cooking. So that's why sometimes I use like this, but sometimes I use the olive oil. So now I'm just showing you showing you these ideas. And then now the oven is already preheated. So this one I'm going to put inside the oven with the temperature of 180. The word temperature, think within 20 minutes when I'm putting this inside, because I want the chicken will be slowly cooked, and you will see when it's like when the chicken is done, it's really like soft because it's like cooking at a low temperature. So now I would cover this the top of this aluminum foil. And by the way, I forgot to add a little bit of water. I add half glass of water to steam the chicken while in the oven and while the chicken is covered. So this one I need to put here. Okay. So that's it. So while the chicken is already in the oven, so I need to prepare some vegetables that I need to add to the chicken, because I like vegetables and together with the chicken. So now I'm going to prepare. And I like to add some carrot and zucchini. So again, I wash first the vegetables for a cut. And now I got this vegetable like this size. This is the carrot, and this is the zucchini. So maybe in 10 minutes I'm gonna add this to the oven, the zucchini and the carrot. And I would add a little bit of salt in it before I put this oil. So I'm gonna wait a while and then gonna show you later when the chicken is done.